After building this heavy contraption of a crosscut sled, I decided I wanted a window frame jig that I can move around easily. This is just a single 3/4 piece of plywood, and I've got a stop on this thing, so once I get my angle cut, I can slide this and line up with the mark where I want it, and then lock it in place. And I got it squared up. When I cut through, it does perfect miters. Here's a piece that I cut earlier. This, you can't get no better than that. But yeah, it just took a little time. Anyway, you guys have a good day.